today we are going to open up the INGENUITY, I think that's how you say it. What is it? Trio 3-in-1 high chair. And here's what it looks like on the box. I'm not going to show you this side though because our address is on it, so I'm going to open it this way. And I have a little helper. His name's Kiki. Hey, come on, Kiki. Whoa, what is it? Get it out. Huh? Okay. It comes with a tray.
Yeah.
Instructions.
Yeah.
A bunch of pieces. I'm gonna say this is a leg. Another leg. Seat. Two little extension pieces, I'm gonna say. A plastic piece. Two more pieces. And the base. Okay, Kiki, let's put it together. Wait, get out of the way, buddy. Come here, help me put it together. So here is one of the settings. You can use it as just like a booster seat without the back. So your kid can sit in it just like that. And there you have it. That is it fully put together. Super simple. And it can also be just a tabletop. But anyways, guys, we did order it off Amazon. It was Amazon's #1 choice. So if you guys want to get this, I'll link it below. It is really nice. Like I said, it does the 3 different sizes. So the full high chair, the half a high chair that you can sit on your chair, and also just the booster seat. So it makes it really nice. It's really compact and it's really easy to put together. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. See you later. Bye, guys.